Do you know who is the perfect partner for great chicken curry, mutton korma, or dal makhani? Hey everyone, if you want to make your next weekend meal feel like a royal feast with minimal effort, you are in the right place. Today we are making an authentic restaurant style aromatic ghee rice. Every single grain of rice is perfectly separated, coated in rich desi ghee, which is homemade, and we have a video for homemade ghee, how to do it. Just go and watch it. And coming back to the ghee rice, it is infused with the whole spices, fried onions, and crunchy nuts. It is incredibly easy to make, but tastes like it came straight from a celebration. Let's head to the kitchen and get cooking. Sorry, I was too long or the video was very short. So, however, I request you guys to just comment it whether I was too fast or the video was too slow. I'm sure that you could have watched the video and how to make the ghee recipe and ghee rice recipe. You could have not missed any of the scene because I could have not told any of the joke also. However, let's see that we are frying onions and the bay leaf and green chili in the oil, and now let's add some pudina or the mint and coriander leaves fine chopped, and then let's make to fry along with that. So you people could have been observing it. It is something similar to biryani, isn't it so? See, we added the ginger garlic paste also. It looks like an onion biryani, but what's the difference? I don't know. You people have to figure it out. Watch our biryani video on both mutton and chicken, and then let us know over the comments which is the best to do it and which is the simplest to do it and what is the difference. If you people comment it, then only we'll come to know whether you people are watching two different videos or not. Otherwise, how do we know that you people are watching it? So I'm sure you people will comment it. You can see that for the ghee rice, we are adding the rice after doing it with the rice. Now, for the ghee rice, which rice do you people prefer it? Whether it is a basmati rice or a jeera sambar rice or a sona masuri rice or kolam rice. Please comment it in the comment section like what rice or the which rice you prefer to eat it in the form of a ghee rice, and along with the ghee rice you let us also know which is the best curry you could like to taste, whether it will be a veg, non-veg, chicken or mutton or egg. I hope you have liked the videos. If so, subscribe, share, comment, like it, share it. Thank you for watching. See ya.